Hello everyone, welcome to the Razer Siren Mini unboxing and modifying a Ikea lamp into boom arm video. Please subscribe to our channel and press the like button. Also, please let us know what you think in the comment section below. So after recording previous videos with the crappy microphone, it is time for an upgrade, and we want to upgrade to something better. I found the Razer Siren Mini. It's quite a good one and isn't expensive, it's around $50. It also will be a good fit into our budget. In the first part of the video I will show you the unboxing of the microphone, and later we will modify the Ikea TERTIAL lamp into boom arm with the help of one small 3D parted part. In the last part I will test the microphone with the new boom arm for the recording quality, and you can hear the difference. So let's begin. So this is the microphone in this box. I chose the white version, but I think it looks better. Let's open up and see what's inside. Okay, so what we got here, we have the warranty, user manual, USB cable, white one, quite nice, USB mini. What we have here, some adapter, I guess. Let's see what we need for it. This is the base of the microphone. It's quite heavy. Okay, what else do we have? This is the microphone itself. Ooh, nice. Metallic. Let's see if we have something else. Nope, that's it. Let's see. I guess this is the adapter to screw it, the mounting to the base. This and this goes here. And you have some adjustment for the angle. Let's see how much it weighs. Okay, so it's about 250 grams. It has some kind of rubber on its base, so it stands more firmly, not to slip. And we have a USB cable which should connect here. Let's see. Green color, like Razer lights. The cable is about 1.5 meters long. I think it's pretty long. Depends on how you mount it and where. If you use boom arm, maybe a little too short, but you can always use USB extender. Connect it like this. That's part of the microphone. And the other side, you plug it into your PC. USB port, and it should be recognized right away. Yes. Nice LED and red Razer logo. I like how it looks. Not too big, not too small. So this is the lamp. As you can see, it's quite big, so I won't manage to fit it all into the shot. But anyway, first of all, what I want to do is to remove all the springs, so it will be easier to work with. So like this. Like this is better. Okay, the other side. So this one. And two more at the base. This. And like this. Okay, 4 springs total. Let's remove the. This is the base which attaches the lamp to the table. And let's go over here. If you look at the lamp itself, you can see that there are 2 screws over here that are attaching the arm to the lamp itself. What we want to do is to remove these 2 screws. Start. Just Phillips screwdriver. Now, note that on the other side there are 2 bolts that you need to hold. So let's remove all these parts. You can see these are the screws on the other side. So just hold them and unscrew. Try not to lose them. 1 and 2. Just like this. See? This is the part that we need. This one we need to remove. Just 2 screws. Now let's try to get the cable out. Okay. There is an Allen screw that holds the cable, and also this part of the lamp. Let's see. Okay. This is 4mm Allen. Okay. So anyway, I won't need this lamp anymore, so I just gonna cut the cable if you need it, so you can try and find a way. I think if you put this screwdriver inside of these slits, you can manage to get it out, but I won't need it, so I just will cut the cable. That's it. Now pull the cable outside of this frame. This, and from the bottom part also. I'm just pushing on one side and pulling on the other. Okay, so we got the cable out. I don't need it also. Put it aside. Okay, so this is the boom arm without all the electrical parts of the lamp. This is what we need. Okay, so the 3D parted part which I got is this little piece. As you can see, on one side it had threads that fits the microphone. On the other side it has the same shape as this part of the boom arm. See? So it fits perfectly. And also it has slots for the screws. So just like this, it will fit. So slide the screw into the slots on the sides. So you might need to Dremel the opening a little bit to get the screw in there, but anyway, just press it firmly inside until it aligns with the hole. Okay, next we will attach this part to our lamp arm, just like this, and with the screw on the other side. One, and the second one. Tighten it up like this. Now we have the part attached. We can screw in the microphone itself. So in the microphone, on its stand, let's disconnect the cable first. Then you need to unscrew this white part from the base, like this. Okay, now I have the threads of the microphone, should fit to the threads of this part, just like this. Perfect. No need to do it all the way. Now we have the microphone attached to the arm, like this. Perfect. Let's return the springs. I have 4 of them, like remember, 1, the other side, 2, 3, close to the base, and the last one. Oh, be careful because it might open up now that the strings are in place. Okay, now we have everything assembled. Let me show you how it looks when attached to my work table. Hi, so now you can hear me from the Razer Siren Mini microphone on my new boom arm attached to my table. I guess you can hear that it's much better quality than the previous microphone that I used, and it was like 5 minutes project, and now I have my own boom arm for very cheap. And also now you can hear me typing something on my mechanical keyboard with my Cherry MX red switches. I'm typing. So you can tell by yourself if this quality is much better or not. But anyway, it's much better than on my desk, interfering with my work. So that's all guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel And also smash the like button and tell us in the comment section what you think about this video and more videos that we uploaded. It will help us a lot. Thank you and see you in next video. Bye bye.